I made this delicious pasta for my family and then they enjoyed it, so I thought to share it with you. Welcome to my channel, everyone. Now I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious pasta. You need your macaroni, and then you need your seasonings, and then you're also going to need some blended mixed pepper, and then you're going to need your frozen or fresh meatballs and some oil. You also need your colorful pepper, the yellow bell pepper, the red and the green bell pepper, and also you're going to need a fresh basil. Fresh basil is very important for this recipe. Set that aside. Then in my bowl, I'm going to pour in my boiling water that I boiled from the kettle. You can start boiling it from afresh, that is absolutely fine. I'm going to pour in the pasta and let it cook. While that is cooking, I'm going to start to make my sauce. I'll start by adding some oil, heat it up, and then go in with my onions, fry that until it is translucent. Then I will go ahead and add in my meatballs. Because they were frozen, I am going to start with the meatballs. I'll go in with the blended pepper, and then I will add in the seasonings as well. I don't know why I skipped that in the camera, but yeah. Then mix very well, cover it and let it cook. While that is cooking, I'm going to then go ahead, check on my pasta. I checked on it, it was all ready to drain, and then I went ahead to drain it and just run it under cold water so that it will stop it from cooking further. You don't want it too moist. I checked on my meatballs and they were all ready for the peppers to go in. Then I went in with the peppers, stir on that until everything came together just beautifully, the way you are seeing on the screen here. It looks colorful, isn't it? So I went in with the pasta, and then it's now time to stir. I fast forwarded it, okay, until everything was properly mixed. Just this way. It took me about 3 to 4 minutes doing that. Then I went in to add in my basil. I just cut them with my hands, cover it for a few minutes, open it, and then stirred on it again, and voila, this is what we have. It is all ready and ready to be devoured as well. Look at how delicious this is looking. It is healthy and it's also delicious. So I began to serve for my family. They were already waiting for their dinner, and so yeah, I have to serve it immediately so that they can have it fresh and delicious. Nothing beats homemade food, okay? Look at this. I served for my husband. I also served for my little human that God has blessed me with, and they all enjoyed their food. Added the meatballs. Look at the colorful peppers and all that. I hope you're going to try this out, and you let me know what you think about this simple recipe. It was quick and easy to put together. And that is it. We've come to the end of this recipe today. I will see you again in my next video, but until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.